Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to flat twist. Preferable you start with clean hair that is detangled, and you can open your lines pre-hand like I did. I will be using this Aunt Jackie's curl defining gel just to help smooth out my hair and any fluffy hair that I have. So if you have a curling cream, you can opt for that. This gel is water based, and I'm also using just a little bit because I do not want to cause product build up. So to do your twist, you start with 2 strands as if you're doing your actual normal twist. You twist them together and then you hold one part down. You then use your index finger to pick up hair and then you twist and hold. Holding is usually easier because you get to tighten your hair a little bit, not too much of course. And when you're a beginner, you don't want just to be too quick because you end up picking up too much hair, then now your twists are uneven. So you pick up hair with your index finger and then use the other to twist and hold. Pick up hair with your index finger, use the other one to twist and hold, and you continue to do that until you don't have any hair to pick up. When there isn't any more hair to pick up, you just continue to do your 2-strand twist, nice and smooth and thoroughly, just to ensure that there isn't any fluffy hair that is left out. So whatever product that you had opted for, you can use it on your ends, that way your ends are also smooth. If the ends of your hair are creating a tail like mine do, I currently have split ends that I need to trim. In the meantime, what you can do is just fold them a little bit, then curl them around your actual twist. That way your hair will look even and for the rest of your twist. When doing flat twist, depending on the comfortability of your hands, you can be either twisting up or twisting down. As you can see in this video, I'm twisting down and using the other hand to pick up hair. Pick up hair and twist down, hold, pick up hair and twist down. But if you're not comfortable with this, you can actually be twisting up, just like when you're doing your normal 2-strand twist. You either twist inside or outside. That'll always depend with the comfortability of your hair, of your hands. So the middle section is normally the hard to flat twist because of how you have to position your hands. You have to position them differently compared to when you're doing the sides, but you do just the same technique. Start with 2-strand twist and then use the other hand to pick up hair as the other hand twists down. As you twist your hair, you can just be pulling it out as I am, just trying to smooth it down to ensure that there are no bumps at all, because you don't want your flat twist to be bumpy. Neither when you're done and doing the 2-strand twist at the end. It will also ensure that your twists are quite long and not short. Because of the way that I do my twist, I put bobby pins at the end of each twist just to help hold it down, but now I was removing them. This is the final look of our flat twist, and at the back I just did 2-strand twist. If you prefer it different, you can just flat twist all the way down. It's an amazing protective hairstyle, and it can be also the hairstyle that you have under your wigs. Using a satin dope to just lay everything down is also perfect when you go to bed, not a bonnet, because it will ensure that your hair is just laid down, it doesn't freeze or fluffy out a lot quicker, and you can keep your hairstyle for longer. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.